What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Your Mind by Kina and Shiloh Dynasty. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell or I'll throat punch you right in the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song's in standard tuning and it's got a capo on the first fret. It is a little bit out of tune, so when you play the chords along to the song, it will sound just a little bit weird because the original song is detuned a little bit, but these are the correct chords. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. The chords you need to know are C major. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then you need E minor, which is 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. And then finally B minor, which is 0, 2, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. It's a bar chord. You're barring the second fret, the entire second fret starting on the A string. Your ring finger's on the 4th fret of the D. Your pinky finger's on the 4th fret of the G, and your middle finger's on the 3rd fret of the B. Once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Now, the song is a little bit weird with the strumming pattern it uses, especially on the C chord. The easiest strumming pattern that you can use is just down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Down, up, and you're staying on the C twice as long as you are the E minor and the B minor. That's the easiest strumming pattern. Now, you can, if you wanted to, because it has this like ba 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 on the C. You could do something like that, or like a. It's a down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you wanted to strum it that way, you could, but again, the easiest strumming pattern is just a. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.